What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to YK Recreation. If you're a Subaru owner, you're gonna know that our headlights are like candles on a night and you cannot see nothing. So this modification has got me so excited to drive on a night where I can actually see the road. Let me just quickly show you what we've done. How good does that look? And it's actually got a purpose as well. The projector actually emits light in one place. What we did first was we did put xenons in the car, but with it not having a projector, the light was just shining and blinding in everyone's eye. And I'm sure that's an MOT failure now as well. Comment below if you agree that the standard Subaru headlights, you can't see nothing with them. And trust me, after you see this modification, you're going to be like, I need to do this. Let's do this. We are doing this at night because we want to see the actual difference in headlights. So what we've done is we've fitted the projector inside the actual headlight. So hopefully in the night we should be able to see a lot better, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's right. That's what we want, because usually when you fit normal headlights, when you put xenons in a normal headlight, you blind people.
Yeah, you
so if you're looking in the rear view mirror, you're blinding someone.
Yeah, like you blind me.
And exactly. So that's what them standard headlights do. That's why we put a projector in.
Yeah.
And to be honest, it does look really nice. I actually like how it looks with the projector. So what we're going to go and do now is fit them to the car. To change the Subaru headlights, it's pretty easy. You've got a 10mm there, you've got a 10mm there. You've got to take this side light off, and then you've got two 10mm on the side. And then you just got to remove the plug. This was one of the modifications that I wanted to do for a long time. And I'm pretty excited to see how I can actually see with Subaru headlights, because all of you Subaru owners will know that Subaru lights are like candles. Literally, you cannot see nothing. You're on a countryside road and you can barely see the floor. The lights will be shining in the tree somewhere. So hopefully this should actually show the road. So if it is a good improvement, and if it is good, trust me, it's worth doing. Especially with having xenon headlights in a non-angel eye projector. I don't even think it's legal no more. I'm sure it's an MOT failure now, having xenons in a non-projector headlight. What have you done to make this plug-in? What have you done? What bulb's in here at the minute?
H7.
H7 bulb in there,
Yeah.
xenon bulb.
Yeah, with these adapters.
H7 xenon bulbs that you get with the adapters in the kit.
Yeah.
And that's ready to just plug in and play.
Plug in and play.
Wow. So my brother installed these projectors, guys. So if it's shining at the moon, we know who to blame. So we're testing the headlights. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow. You know what?
Look at your legs.
That, whoa, we've actually got a beam pattern.
Yeah.
Look at this, yeah? And look at this side. Oh, they've took the headlight already. fail. But yeah, look, you can actually
See where it stops on there. Yeah.
Oh. Whoa, we got flash as well. Bi-xenon headlights.
Sick.
But yeah, as you can see already, look, we need to put the old headlight in, you know, for comparison. Wait 1 minute, guys. So this is the headlight with the projector in, and as you can see, the pattern is very strong and very bright. It actually like just covers that certain area. If you go on the other side without the projector, it's literally like starts from there and it comes all the way here. So it's like it's spread all over an area, not concentrated on one area. So yeah, I'm really happy with the results. See, look, it comes from one area to the other area.
Show them the rainbow.
And look, he said that all the headlights are made out of every single colour. So this is the headlight with the projector in it. As you can see, most of the light does come out the projector and it's not shining all over like a madness. This light here, on the other hand, as you can see, the light is just shining everywhere. It's not concentrated in one area. It's actually on the top there, on the sides there. So when we do take it out for a drive on a night now, we should be able to see better on a countryside road. So this is what the light looks like in Shell petrol station. As you can see, you can still see the ballast. So it does look really nice. It does look aesthetically pleasing. It's my new favourite word for some reason, I don't know where I heard it. But yeah, as you can see, it does look really nice. And it does shine a lot better. So yeah, I'm happy with that outcome. I do like how the lights are very bright now, and they actually perform better. They're doing what they're supposed to be doing, not like candle lights shining in at the trees and shining in this, shining at that. So yeah, I hope this video helped. If you did like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Let's see what other modifications we can get done. Modifications that can actually help improve the car. I haven't got a light lock on it, but yeah.
Well, actually, I might be able to.
Well, actually, I might be able to.
So guys, stay tuned for the next end of the video.
What do you say white lights made out of?
It's like a rainbow, in it?
All different colours?
Yeah, yeah.
Combined?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay, guys.
Science.
It's not a game.